So, hello everyone, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you if your Google Meet is not connecting, then this video is for you. So you can see here I'm facing a problem for connecting Google Meet. So guys, the first thing what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection is working or not. So it's if your internet connection is on, then what you have to do is you have to check your data, if your data is there or not, if your MB or GB is there or not. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to just uninstall your application once. After you have to uninstall your application, and after that you have to go to Google Play Store, and then you have to reinstall it from here. So after doing this, you can install it, and then after installing, what you have to do is you have to go to phone settings. You have to go to your phone settings. Sorry, you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to scroll down, and you have to go to apps. So after going to apps, what you have to do here, go to app manage apps, and then you have to search for Google Meet here. So let's wait, it's taking a while minute. So let's see, here it is. So just click on the Google Meet application, scroll down, and you have to clear all the data here, and also the cache, and also you have to click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the first, and then the last option is you have to click on app permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, what you have to do what you have to do here is you have to restart your phone. You have to switch off your phone and reopen it, and then I'm sure that your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please.